Hello, my dear Forex friends, and welcome to this Aussie dollar technical analysis and price prediction for October 21st, 2019. And, my dear friends, we are on a rip here. We are steadily going higher, okay, after breaking this beautiful wedge here. We had been quite a few, we had quite a few bull flags wedges here going on. If you still remember, or for the ones who haven't seen it, okay, I personally did my first trade since literally 2013 here. Just have a look at this. And so we saw like a little bit, the breakout coming here, but it wasn't clear. So on the hourly, we had this nice bull flag going on. And inside this bull flag, okay, inside this bull flag, our predictive indicator Runar, which belongs to the Odin Framework, gave the green light. So it measures the standard deviation from the VWAP, and on top it measures it makes dozens of calculations about mass and energy in the market, exactly like institutions are doing it. Okay, so it looks at how likely is it right now, given that mass and energy in the market, and also given the volatility, that we can now break above higher. And it's just a beauty. I mean, just look at the previous signal. We were red basically going down, okay, all the time up until here. This is where basically Runar gives the green light, and it's just amazing, okay. I basically played it here up until here, guys, already did a killing. But have a look. So Runar is still green. We are still obviously heading higher. I mean, look at the pips, okay. Look at the pips. We are now over 100 pips here, which is pretty obvious because we have actually, come to the previous important zone here. And let me show this to you. I will look at the drawings. You might remember the zone, okay? We had look at the headline. Just seeing it. We had 11 red candles here going on, guys. When the first time the Chinese-US trade war issue came up, okay? So it came up here. We literally went down for 11 subsequent candles, which is crazy. Before we got this, this crazy doji going on, stalled here a little bit, and then came down, and then finally the bulls defended the region. Okay, so if we take everything away again, also nice bottom here. Okay, double bottom. So double bottom also going on here. We have our pullback high currently exactly where we have the double bottom, like previously where we had it. Okay, so it is the 68.8 up to, I would say, the 69. Okay, 69 cents psychological. I mean, this is the region what you like. We can expect. This is why I'm showing it to you. We can expect, okay, the bulls to go a little bit higher than even the zone. So literally go to 69 here. Maybe, just slightly get a touch above higher in order to, as you know, fill the liquidity, okay, for the institutions, and then basically see the correction. So we can get into extreme, okay? It is entirely possible. The daily is not overbought. We have the overbought is 100% on the 4-hourly, okay? We are 100% overstretched now on the 4-hour, but it's not the case on the daily yet. So that's what you should keep an eye on for. 100%, it is more likely, that's obvious. It is more likely that we will see a solid reaction here. But when that will happen, okay, you could literally burn your fingers if you now step into too early. I would wait for it, If it doesn't happen, nothing lost. But if we come to 69, I mean, we could even go a little bit higher. This is where you could, overstretch a little bit in order to fill the liquidity for the institutions, and then you could bet on this going lower. But other than that, it's just completely killing it. If we were to just look on the 4-hourly, I mean, how many bullish candles are those now on the 4-hourly? Albeit with a few dojis, inside bars in between, but nonetheless, we are still on a rip, and this cannot, go on like this forever. So 69, maybe a little bit above, and then some reaction at least would be expected from the bears. That's the case, my dear friends. Don't forget, okay? So Runar has been killing it since here, and on the first video I had already shown. If you just go back, just look at the last month, just look at the last 2 months. I mean, you can just go ahead, okay? It's $20 for the trial for 7 days of 7 days of trial, you can just plot it on any chart that you want. Okay, just plot it on any chart that you want, and just have a look how you would have fared only by trading the hourly signals or even 50 minutes. Okay, I'm not quite sure. 50 minutes could be even more accurate than the hourly, so you would even have more chance because it's then more reactive in that case. But I mean, just do yourself this favor. Okay, check it out. Just plot it on your chart and thank me later. Believe me, it is amazing. It is working. We have currently even our automated version based on the same logic. So based on this exactly the same strategy that you have manually here, we're currently offering it for the crypto space on Deribit. We got basically completely overrun on the weekend. So amazing number of people, guys, piled in, who are interested in automating their trading, which is currently not possible yet for Forex. It's not possible yet for Forex for gold. But nonetheless, you can still get the manual version, which is also killing it. If you have the time, if you're sitting in front of it, trading it anyways on the hourly, on the 50 minutes, I can 100% recommend you to do this. As I said, thank me later. So that's the case. I hope you had some value. If it was so, smash the like button. Feel free to comment it. If you have any questions, ask me anytime. Otherwise, I wish you a beautiful start of the week. Say adios, amigos, no matter where you are on this planet, and see you.